Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my presentation video. My topic is advanced drug delivery system. First of all, I have to introduce myself. My name is Khizra Yasin and I am a student of MS Chemistry. Let's have an eye on contents. My topic is advanced drug delivery system. So these different advanced drug delivery system includes nanotechnology based, polymer based, lipid based, smart drug delivery and cell based drug delivery systems. Start with the abstract. In 1952, Smith-Kline introduced the Spensole, marking a significant milestone as the inaugural controlled release drug delivery system. So this was the first controlled release drug delivery system. The transformation of a drug from its traditional form to a distinctive delivery system can substantially enhance its compliance, safety, and efficacy. The utilization of advanced drug delivery system breathes new life into aging drug molecule. Its mean ADDS can give new life to a molecule. This article comprehensively explores various advanced drug delivery systems including intravenous, intramuscular, polymer-based, hydrogel formation, targeted drug delivery, smart and cell-based drug delivery system. Let's move on. Introduction. The administration of a pharmaceutical substance to induce a therapeutic effect in humans or animals is referred to as drug delivery. When appropriately designed, an advanced drug delivery system can significantly impact the challenges associated with targeted drug delivery, responding to an increasing demand for safer and more effective drug administration methods. Pharmaceutical companies have been actively exploring innovative drug delivery system, means advanced drug delivery system. It's mean there was the need to introduce the advanced drug delivery system from which drug can enter into the body and reaches the specific site. Consequently, advanced techniques have emerged to modify pharmacological effects encompassing like pharmacokinetics, pharmacodynamics, and so on. The convergence of polymer science, pharmaceutics, bioconjugate chemistry, and molecular biology have given rise to these advanced drug delivery methods, collectively known as drug delivery systems. Next, move on. Here are some conventional and novel drug delivery system. Conventional dosage forms include gels, ointments, tablets, pills, lotions, aerosols. All these are conventional. But novel drug delivery means advanced drug delivery system includes nanocapsules, hydrogels, lipids, micelles, solid lipid nanoparticles. Next, various drug carriers exist, including soluble polymers, biosynthetic, man-made, natural polymers. All these are advanced drug delivery system. Certain dosage forms have some drawbacks: increased toxicity, decreased efficiency, and undesirable effects, while the advantages of advanced drug delivery system are increased drug efficacy, site specification administration, and reduced toxicity and side effect. Here is the difference between conventional system and advanced system. Conventional system, lesser patient compliance, high alteration in drug level in body, while on the other hand, better patient compliance and minimal alteration in drug level. More chances of side effects, and in advanced system, reduced chances of side effects, more frequency dose administration, and in advanced, lesser frequency of dose administration. Here are some advanced drug delivery systems. Intramuscular drug delivery system (IM) involves administering medications into specific muscle depth. Muscle with substantial bulk means with heavy bulk, good vascularity, facilitating the rapid systematic circulation of the injected drug and subsequent delivery to the targeted region of the action, avoiding first pass metabolism. Water soluble drugs are swiftly means quickly absorbed from IM sites, while oil soluble require more time. Advantages of IM injection means in IM injections there is no need to find the exact depth or vein. Advantages are simplicity and dissipability. Most people can easily inject drugs into muscles like the thigh, gluteus. And the second advantage is elimination of the need to locate a vein. So there is no need to locate a vein in intramuscular drug delivery system. Next, move on. Intravenous drug delivery. Intravenous means, from name we can understand, intravenous. Intravenous delivery is a method of drug administration where medications are directly introduced into the bloodstream through a needle or tube. The term intravenous specifically denotes into the vein. During IV administration, healthcare professionals use a slender plastic tube, means use a thin plastic tube known as IV catheter, to access a patient's vein, enabling the administration of multiple safe doses without the need for repeated needle insertion. and this IV route is typically employed for the delivery of small medication volumes. Small medication volumes means typically above 220 ml, achieved by manually pushing the medicine into the patient's vein. In intravenous drug delivery, we have to find the vein, and in intramuscular, we don't have to find the vein. There is no need to find the vein. Advantages of IV delivery: essential for addressing emergent situation due to the immediate rapid therapeutic effect, generally considered more comfortable for patients compared to IM, means intramuscular or subcutaneous injections, offers a more precise dosage of medication as none is left in the intravenous tubing. Here is the figure of different angles of injection: subcutaneous, intramuscular, intravenous. Here are different angles for injecting the injection into the body. Next is the nanotechnology based drug delivery system. Nanotechnology explores the examination of matter at the atomic and molecular levels, typically below 100 nanometer. To put it simply, nanometer is 1 billionth of a meter, and material at this size exhibit distinct or different properties compared to large size. Implementing large size material in drug delivery faces numerous challenges, including poor availability, in vivo stability, solubility. Here are some challenges with larger size particles. So, recent research in nano drug delivery aims to address these challenges by designing and fabricating nanostructures. Nanostructures play important role in protecting drugs from degradation in the gastrointestinal tract and facilitating targeted delivery to various body areas. Nanoscale enables these structures to penetrate tissue and be efficiently taken up by cells, facilitating effective delivery of drug to specific action site. So, with large size particle, we have to face the challenges, but we use nanotechnology, means small sized particle, for the drug delivery into the body. Next, nanoparticles. Nanoparticle drug delivery system serve as carrier at the nanometer scale for the transportation of drugs or biomolecules. Typically, these nanocarriers encompass submicron particles with dimension below 1000 nanometer, featuring diverse morphologies such as nanosphere, nanocapsules, nanomicelles, nanoliposomes, and nanodrugs. Advantages of nanoparticle drug delivery system are their ability to pass through the smallest capillary vessels owing to their extremely small volume. It means because of their small size, they can pass through the smallest capillary vessels. Potential for controlled release properties attributed to the biodegradability, pH sensitivity, ion responsiveness, and or temperature sensitivity of the material used. Enhancement of drug efficacy and reduction of toxic side effects. In the capacity of drug delivery system, nanoparticles can encapsulate drugs or biomolecules within their internal structures or absorb onto their external surface. Currently, nanoparticles find widespread application in delivering drugs like proteins, polypeptides, vaccines, nucleic acids. All are under the heading of nanoparticles. Over time, nanoparticle drug delivery systems have demonstrated significant potential in biological, medical, and pharmaceutical domains. Here is the figure for the delivering of nanoparticles as targeted drug delivery. Next one is nanocarriers and nanomedicines for targeted and controlled drug delivery. Nanocarriers. Innovative drug delivery system known as nanocarriers for targeted and controlled drug delivery have been designed to optimize the therapeutic effectiveness of drugs while minimizing adverse effect. These nanocarriers typically fall within the nanometer size range, offering various advantages such as enhanced drug solubility, improved bioavailability, and the capacity to target specific tissues or cells. It means nanocarriers also play a very important role for delivering that drug. Micelles. Micelles are nanocarriers basically. Micelles represent self-assembled colloidal structure that rise from the spontaneous organization of amphiphilic molecules in a solution. Amphiphilic molecules possesses both hydrophobic, mean water loving, water attracting, and hydrophilic, means water repelling regions. At concentration surpassing a certain threshold in a solution, means above the certain concentration, these molecules undergo self-assembly to form micelles. From this process, micelle forms. The significance of micelle is particularly pronounced in nanotechnology and drug delivery application. Structure of micelle Micelle exhibits a core shell architecture. The hydrophobic tails of amphiphilic molecule cluster in the core, creating a hydrophobic environment. Simultaneously, hydrophilic heads constitute the outer shell, interacting with the surrounding aqueous environment. Drug delivery. So, how micelles help in drug delivery? Micelles serve as carriers for drug delivery, especially for hydrophobic drugs. Hydrophobic core of the micelle accommodates the drug, shielding it from the degradation and enhance its bioavailability. Hydrophilic shell of the micelle can extend its circulation time in the bloodstream, and modification to the surface can enable targeted drug delivery. Micelles are also used in the cancer therapy. Micelles are under investigation as vehicles for delivering anti-cancer drugs to tumor sites. So, micelles have the ability to reach the tumor sites. Their small size enables passive targeting through the enhanced permeability and retention effect in tumors. The surface of micelles can be tailored to actively target cancer cells. Here is the figure of the micelle. The head of micelle is hydrophilic, means water loving, and the tail of the micelle is hydrophobic, mean water repelling. Next is polymer based drug delivery system. Polymers have also gained significant prominence in the field of drug delivery owing to their distinctive properties and distinctive services and bulk properties. They are extensively used in both drug formulation and medical devices. So, polymer play a very important role in the drug delivery system. Polymers serve as a fundamental platform for achieving control and targeted release of therapeutic agents. Their versatility allows for the design of systems that enhance drug solubility, stability, bioavailability, while also providing control over release kinetics. Various types of polymers in drug delivery systems are used, like naturally occurring polymers or synthetic, means man-made polymers. Here are some naturally occurring polymers. Chitosan, originating from chitin. Chitosan exhibit biocompatibility and biodegradability. It finds application in mucosal drug delivery, leveraging its mucoadhesive characteristics. Alginate, extracted from brown seed. Alginate forms hydrogel in the presence of divalent cations, making it suitable for controlled release application. So here hydrogel forms. Man-made polymers means synthetic polymers. Polylactic co-glycolic acid (PLGA), renowned for its biocompatibility and biodegradability. PLGA allows for customization in drug release duration by adjusting the lactic acid to glycolic acid ratio. Polyethylene glycol (PEG), commonly employed to enhance drug solubility and stability. PEG also serve to modify the surface property of nanoparticles in drug delivery application. And the last one is polyvinyl alcohol (PVA), utilized in the preparation of hydrogels for drug delivery. PVA's biocompatibility and water absorbing properties make it a favorable choice. Next one is hydrogels. Hydrogels are also very important in the advanced drug delivery system. Hydrogel represent an attractive class of drug delivery system, finding application across various medical disciplines such as cardiology, oncology, immunology, wound healing, and pain management. These versatile materials have gained considerable interest in drug delivery due to their distinctive characteristics, making them well suited for advanced drug delivery system. So here we will see how hydrogels use for the advanced drug delivery systems. Drug encapsulation. In the process of hydrogel synthesis, drug may be encapsulated within the hydrogel matrix or loaded into the performed hydrogels. This encapsulation serves to safeguard the drug from degradation and regulate its controlled release. Swelling and absorption. Hydrogel exhibit the ability to swell in response to environmental factors such as temperature, pressure, light, pH variations, or the presence of specific ions. This swelling phenomena results in water absorption, leading to the expansion of the hydrogel matrix and providing space for controlled drug release. Next is controlled release. The controlled release of drugs from hydrogel can be achieved by adjusting the hydrogel's composition, including its polymer structure, cross-linking density, and responsiveness to external stimuli. pH responsive. There are some pH responsive hydrogels and there are some temperature responsive hydrogels. pH responsive hydrogels particularly employed in drug delivery system for environments with varying acidity levels, means with pH sensitive hydrogels undergo swelling or contraction in response to pH changes. Mean when pH changes, pH responsive hydrogens varies. This enables precise control over drug release at specific locations such as the gastrointestinal tract. Next one is temperature responsive. Some hydrogel exhibit sensitivity to temperature fluctuation through reversible changes in volume as the temperature varies. These hydrogels influence the controlled release of drugs. This property is particularly beneficial in application like cancer therapy, hypertherapy, and cancer therapy. Here is the figure of components of hydrogels. Here is the polymer chain, cross-linking point, and the water. So these are the main components of hydrogel: polymer chain, the cross-linking of polymer chain, and the water. Next one is lipid-based drug delivery system. Lipid-based drug delivery system are also the advanced drug delivery system. Lipid-based drug delivery system represent a category of formulation that use lipids as their primary component for drug delivery. Lipids encompass a broad range of compounds like fatty acids, fats, oils, phospholipids. The primary objective of this system is to enhance the solubility, stability, and bioavailability of drugs that exhibit poor water solubility. So here are some lipid-based drug delivery system: liposomes. Liposome represent the lipid-based vesicle utilized at the drug delivery system within the medical domain, within the medical field. These minute structures are composed of one or more lipid bilayers that enclose an aqueous core. Liposome, owing to their versatility, because of their versatility, they have undergone comprehensive investigation for their capacity to encapsulate various compounds, including pharmaceutical drugs, and facilitate their targeted delivery to specific site within the body. The following outline of liposome are drug delivery and targeted drug delivery. The drug delivery: liposomes have the capacity to encapsulate a broad spectrum of therapeutic agents encompassing both hydrophobic and hydrophilic drugs, either within their lipid bilayers or aqueous core. This characteristics renders them versatile carriers for various therapeutic compounds. The encapsulation process not only shields the drug from degradation but also improves its solubility and facilitating controlled release. Next one is targeted drug delivery. Modification of liposome can enhance their targeting capabilities. Through surface modification involves ligands, antibodies. So antibodies and ligands are attached on the surface of hydrogels which help them to enter in the body. Next one is microemulsion. Microemulsion are transparent and isotropic blends containing oil, water surfactant, and co-surfactant exhibiting thermodynamic stability and the ability to dissolve lipophilic pharmaceuticals effectively. These formulations present advantages such as enhanced drug solubility, improved absorption, and simplified manufacturing process. So these all are the newly or advanced drug delivery system, means lipid-based drug delivery system. These all are under the heading of lipid-based drug delivery system. Nanoemulsion. Nanoemulsion share similarities. Nanoemulsions are similar to the microemulsion but feature smaller droplet sizes in the nanometer range. As from the name nano means small, thereby increasing the drug absorption surface area. Nanoemulsions have diverse application in oral, topical, and parenteral drug delivery. Next one is solid lipid nanoparticles and nanostructured lipid carriers. Solid lipid nanoparticles and nanostructured lipid carriers are colloidal carriers with submicron dimensions comprised of lipids that remain solid at room temperature. These lipid-based carriers offer benefits such as controlled release, heightened stability, mean increased stability, and protection for delicate pharmaceutical compounds. These are under the heading of lipid-based. Next one is smart drug delivery system. Targeted drug delivery, also known as intelligent or smart drug delivery, involves administering medication to a patient in a way that elevates the concentration of the drug in specific body areas compared to other. Main objective of this system is to amplify the therapeutic effectiveness of drugs while reducing side effects and drawbacks. Targeted drug delivery: passive targeting and active targeting. Passive targeting mechanism utilizes the inherent characteristics of the target tissue. Example, in the case of tumor, blood vessels often exhibit increased permeability, allowing drugs to selectively accumulate in the tumor tissues, while in the active targeting mechanism utilizes Specific molecules such as ligands or antibodies on the surface of drug carriers. Here also ligands and antibodies are present on the surface of drug carriers which can identify and attach to receptor on target cells or tissue. Next one is controlled drug release, stimuli responsive system. A stimuli responsive system denotes a dynamic mechanism designed to respond to diverse external or internal cues in the realm of drug delivery, means in the context of drug delivery. This system can be purposefully engineered to react to factors such as pH, temperature, light, redox potential. Endogenous stimuli responsive system. Endogenous drug delivery entails leveraging the body's internal or intrinsic factors to regulate the release and targeting of therapeutic agents. Through the development of drug delivery system responsive to these endogenous stimuli, goal is to achieve a targeted and controlled release of drug delivery at the disease site. This strategy approach aims to optimize the therapeutic efficacy of drugs while minimizing side effects. Technologies with an endogenous are pH responsive, enzyme responsive, redox responsive. All these are the endogenous stimuli responsive system. Next one is exogenous. Smart drug delivery system response to exogenous stimuli are designed to actively release their cargo in reaction to external triggers such as light, temperature, ultrasound, magnetic field, electric field, and other external stimuli. This capability enhances the therapeutic efficacy of cargoes by precisely controlling the release process, consequently minimizing the adverse side effects. Next one is pH responsive drug delivery system. pH responsive drug delivery system function as intelligent carriers for medication. These carriers exhibit adaptive behavior based on the acidity, means based on the pH of distinct anatomical regions within the body. Our body has different pH at the different organs, means our body features varying pH levels in different locales such as the stomach and intestine. Scientists capitalized on these pH differences to engineering drug carriers capable of releasing medicine in targeted areas. Our body have different pH at different organs, so scientists design the drugs according to our body's pH so that they can enter to the body without any harm and can reach to the specific site. For example, in case like colorectal cancer, where certain drugs may face challenges in the stomach environment, these carriers shield the medicine until it reaches the colon, facilitating effective release. In simpler term, intelligent drug carriers ensure precise delivery of medicine to the appropriate locations in our body at the optimal times, mean at the right time and at the right location, thereby enhancing treatment efficacy and minimizing side effects. Next one is temperature responsive drug delivery system. Researchers have devised specialized drug delivery system responsive to temperature fluctuation, a strategy frequently applied in cancer treatment. The concept involves ensuring that these drug delivery system remain stable and retain the medication at the normal or standard body temperature 37 degrees centigrade. However, they release the drug when the temperature surpasses or temperature over 40 degrees centigrade, a condition prevalent in specific scenarios like cancerous tissue. Materials like polyamidoamine, poly-2,2-methoxyethyl methacrylate, poly-N-isopropyl acrylamide, and poly-2-oxazolene are utilized due to their substantial alteration in properties with temperature variation. Some of these materials exhibit responsiveness even to minor temperature increases, characteristics of cancerous tissue, serving as a natural signal for drug release. So pH responsive and temperature responsive drug delivery system are also under the heading of advanced drug delivery system. And the last one is cell-based drug delivery system. Cell-based drug delivery system involves the use of living cells as carriers or components of drug delivery system. This system aims to enhance the therapeutic efficacy and specificity of drug delivery while minimizing side effects. In short, the purpose or use of advanced drug delivery system is to enhance the therapeutic efficacy, specificity of drug delivery, and while reducing side effects. The purpose of all advanced drug delivery system is this: to enhance the therapeutic efficacy and the specificity of drug delivery while minimizing side effects. Carrier cells. Certain cells such as red blood cell or immune cells serve as potential carriers for drug delivery. Medications can be loaded onto these cells and subsequently the cells are introduced into the bloodstream. Functioning as vehicles, these cells facilitate the transportation of the drug to specific target sites. Cell types which are used in the cell-based drug delivery system. Cell types, stem cells, undifferentiated cells with the capacity to transform into diverse cell types. They can be modified to transport or administer drug to particular organs or tissue. Immune cell specific. Immune cell including macrophages can serve as carrier in drug delivery. These cells naturally migrate to areas of inflammation or disease or infection, offering a targeted delivery method. Next one are red blood cell, investigated for drug delivery due to their biocompatibility and circulation capability throughout the body. They can be filled with drugs and directed toward the specific tissue. So, the purpose of all these cells are to deliver drug efficiently into our body without any harm. Methods of loading cell: endocytosis and exocytosis. The encapsulation of drug within cell can be achieved through endocytosis with controlled release facilitated by exocytosis. Next one is the membrane modification. Alterations to cell membrane can be made to permit the attachment or integration of drugs. The advantages of cell-based drug delivery system: targeted delivery. Engineered cell-based system offer the ability to target precise tissue or organs, enhancing the accuracy of drug delivery. Next one is reduced toxicity. Utilizing cell as carrier has the potential to mitigate the toxicity, means to decrease the toxicity commonly linked with specific drugs. Extended circulation time. Cells like red blood cells can persist in the bloodstream for an extended duration, thereby prolonging the therapeutic impact. All these are the advanced drug delivery system, and then last one is the conclusion. Novel drug delivery system means advanced drug delivery system presents an alternative to traditional methods of drug administration. In contemporary medicine, initial steps involve determining the specific location of a disease within a patient's body, followed by the direct delivery of medication to the effective area for maximum efficacy. Traditional drug delivery approaches such as tablets, pills, ointment, capsules, syrups are often associated with poor availability and fluctuation in plasma drug levels. Without a dependable or reliable delivery method, the entire therapeutic process may prove ineffective. Advanced drug delivery system or techniques play important role in efficiently delivering drugs into the body. Innovations have emerged for the transportation, overcoming bioavailability barriers, and the rational formulation design of poorly soluble medication. The utilization of advanced drug delivery system is expected to significantly increase in the treatment of chronic pain and various other illness in the foreseeable future, means in the near future. So in short, if we talk about the purpose of advanced drug delivery system, the whole purpose of advanced drug delivery system is to enhance the therapeutic efficacy, specificity of drug delivering while reducing side effects. All these are the links and references from where I get my data. Thank you so much for watching my video.